Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Salesforce Tech Geek. My name is Amit Singh and today we are going to see how to send an email to the user with the help of Trigger. So many of us are aware of the online shopping portal such as Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra and etc. So we have seen that on those particular websites once an order has been placed, then in that case um, the user receives an email regarding their order confirmation, or we can say that they used to notify the user that your order has been successfully placed. And similarly, in the case of order cancellation, that the order has been cancelled. So our scenario will be like the user will get an email alert or email notification regarding their account deletion. So I will perform my scenario on account object, and in that case once an account gets deleted, then the user is going to receive an email that the account has been deleted. So let's get started. So you can see that I am on the account screen and this is my account name. So from here I just need to go to the developer console screen. So just click on this. The page is being loaded and this is my developer console screen. So remove the other things, and now I have to create a trigger. So for creating a trigger I have to go to file and then new and then apex trigger. From here I have to give a name to my trigger. So let's say we should write a name that like email temp practice, and the object which I have to select from here is account object, because my scenario is that once the account has been deleted successfully, then the user is going to get an email regarding the deletion of the account. So you can see that the trigger, I have created a trigger with a name email temp practice on account object, and by default this event is occurs like before an insert. But our scenario is that after the account has been successfully deleted, then only the user is going to get an email regarding the same. So for achieving this purpose, I have to make changes to my trigger events. So it should be after delete, and now I have to write my code inside the braces. So first I have to take a list messaging messaging dot email, and then let's say should be email list is equal to new list messaging dot email. Keep it close, save it. Now I have to take a for each loop on account object. So the syntax will be for account a colon trigger dot old. So guys, I have taken a context variable as trigger dot old. So you can all know that what is the functionality of trigger dot old. So what trigger dot old will do. So trigger dot old will hold the record which is going to be deleted or the record which is recently deleted. Also we can say that what also we can define for trigger.old is that trigger.old holds the older version of the record which is being updated. So our scenario is for delete purpose, so just we have to remember is that here trigger.old will hold the value of the record which is being deleted or which is recently deleted. Now the rest of code will be like I have to take messaging as messaging dot send, you can see that uh, these methods are coming. So I have to select send email message. So this is not the right option which I have selected. I have to select messaging dot single email message, delete acc equal to name dot single email message, and in the bracket put a semicolon, and on the next line the syntax will be like I have to define the or I have to define the email field for which the email is going to be sent. So syntax will be like my on delete account dot send to addresses, send to send to addresses, and in the bracket I have to write new string square bracket. Now in dot, now I have to choose or I have to pick the email field API name from the account object. So this pop-up can be seen after clicking on Control Shift and then O, and then write your particular object name here. So here is my account object. Just click on it, and you can see all the API field name that are there on the particular account object with their field type. So I have to select the email ID field API name. Let me check where it is. So we can see that here it is. So it is email underscore ID underscore C, email underscore ID underscore C. Now put a semicolon and save it. So we are getting some error here. So we just need to check it. What is the error? Method does not exist or incorrect signature one set to addresses. So now oh, I got it. It is not sent. It is set to addresses. Now I will save it and check whether it is correct or not. Yeah. So the error disappears and this line of code is correct. And after setting addresses, I have to set a body, or I have to set a subject name for the particular email field. So delete acc dot set subject and the text inside it. So it will be like account deleted successfully. Put a semicolon, and after that I have to set a body for the same. So let's say body contains body should be of type string. So string subject string body equal to hmm, let's say dear user, your account is deleted successfully. put a semicolon, and then after that we have to call it simple set HTML body, cd set HTML body, and then I have to write here body, put a semicolon, and after that I have to put this into my list, which is email list dot add, then delete acc, put a semicolon, and save it. So there is some error. Let me check. At line number 11 we are getting error. Looks like it should not be in double quote. Every place is single quote, and save it. And let's check whether the error removes or not. So yes, we have to put this line of text in single quote and not in double quotes. And one single line of code is left, which is I need to define messaging dot send messaging or send email, and in the bracket we have to call it my email list. Place it here, put a semicolon, and save it. So um, this is my uh, code for which I'm trying to show you that after account deletion successfully, the user should receive an email regarding his account deletion. So that particular email will contain subject as account deleted successfully, and its body contain dear user, your account is deleted successfully. So let's now check whether this trigger is working or not. Just navigate back to your account screen and just refresh the page once. Navigate back to the account page, and now I will show you uh, the functionality of the trigger on a new account. So firstly I have to create an account. So let's say name should be its name. Naming it as trigger account, and I'm taking only the mandatory fields. Apart from email, I'm only taking the mandatory fields. And let me check where is my email field, because I have to give, or I have to provide an email onto which my email will be sent once the account gets deleted using trigger. So you can see that this is my email field. So I am putting here my email ID, which is Amit K, and just save it. Okay, so there is one trigger I have already created, that it should not be taking as a duplicate name for account name. So let's just put it as trigger account one, and let's check it whether it is going to create or not, letting it create it or not. So yes, so you can see that my account has been created successfully, and now I have to delete this account to check whether my trigger is working or not, and I should receive an email. So click on the delete button, a pop-up will appear, From the pop-up itself, just click on the delete button again. So the account, which is trigger account 1, was deleted. Now I have to go to my email ID and check whether our trigger has worked or not, and if it has worked successfully, then I would have received an email regarding email deletion. Let's just check it. I have to refresh it. So yes, you can check it that once the account has been deleted successfully, I have received an email notification which is having a subject like account deleted successfully, and its body says that, dear user, your account is deleted successfully. So uh, we have achieved our scenario successfully. So guys, if you like the video, like it, share it, subscribe it with your loved ones, share it with your loved ones. More steps are on the cards. Stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you.